To tighten the front chain on a 77 electric bender, you must first remove the shoe and roller support. The roller support may or may not be removed depending on the type of roller support or shoe you have. Once ready, remove all the screws that secure the front cover. There will be an additional screw found on the bottom of the cover. Lay the 77 flat to gain access to this. Tilt the machine back up before removing the cover. Once stood up, remove the cover by pulling it straight out. Once removed, you'll be able to access the chain. To tighten the chain, use a 1/2-inch drive impact wrench with an extension and a 3/4 inch socket. Once tightened, reinstall the front cover. Make sure to insert the bottom screw by laying the machine flat. Once the cover is secure, reinstall the shoe and roller support if they were removed. The front chain has now been tightened on your 77 electric bender.